Crestliner Dane update time. Somewhere along the line here I managed to lose a bunch of video. I don't know what I did with it, but this has been in the barn for a while. You can see our makeshift paint booth, but there are layers of FRP underneath here that filled in the dents. It's certainly not perfect by any stretch. However, it is considerably better than it was. Aluminum primer and about 3 coats of Pettit's bottom paint. It's really a roll-on type, but I did do this automotive style and did spray it, and we have done several iterations of buffing, and this is now looking pretty darn good. So today is the day we're going to roll this out. We're going to put it back up. We're going to lift it up with the loader, and we're going to put it back on its trailer, and then it's going to be time to work on the top side. This project is definitely long in the works. I was hoping to have it done by last summer, but here we are rolling into another winter, so press on. Alright, here we go, entertainment. We're going to flip this over. We have a tarp on the other side. We're going to just try and, it's on the edge of the driveway, so we should be just flipping it into the grass onto a tarp. Andrew and I did this before, so we figured if we could flip it over, should be able just to flip it. Flipped over. Roll through the dark. There it is. That worked. She's on, so now we're going to clean out the garage and we're going to back it in.